Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum 7th class. I hope you are all fine. I am Samra Amir Ali from Allied School. Today we are going to discuss our fourth topic of first chapter, that is convection. Page number 6. Fourth topic, convection. Convection is the transfer of heat through fluids. Convection is the second way of transfer of heat through fluids. Fluids means through liquids and gases. But what's the reason behind it? Because their particles are free to move. They are not present in framework like solids. So convection can happen through liquids and gases. Students, convection doesn't happen through solids. It means that their particles are present in framework or strong bonds present in solids. For example, water boils in electric kettle. Students, in this figure you can see that heated water moves in upward direction in red arrows and cooled water move in circular direction. This is the heating element in the kettle that only warms the water that touching it. As we all are known that warm water is less than the cooled water, so the warm water rises. Okay, this continuous circulating streaming in a closed setup of electric kettle is called convection current. Convection current, continuous circulating of streaming in a closed setup is called convection current. For example, warms the room through heater. In winter, we warm our home or room through heaters, and land is heated by the sun. Dear students, in this figure you can see that heat travel must through gases because a room can be warmed by a heater, heating wires, heater, heated air moving around the room. In this figure, convection current is set up and air circulates around the room by the heater. The third example is that land is heated by the sun. In this figure you can see that warm air rises because of heated by the sun in red arrows and cool air sinks in blue arrows. The explanation about this third example is during the day land is heated by the sun much more quickly than the sea. This set up by the convection current. Students, blank number 9, liquid and gases may be poor conductor of heat. Liquids and dash may be poor conductors of heat. Gases. Conductor means a material or object that allows to electricity to pass through it. As liquid and gases are poor conductors, but they carry heat because their particles are free to move. Blank number 10, convection cannot happen in solids because the particles are held in framework. Blank, convection. 11th blank is a continuous circulating stream is set up in a kettle is called a dash, convection current. Dear students, some test yourself questions about this topic and the answers are: page number 6, question number 1. Why can liquid and gases carry heat? Because their particles are free to move. Question number 2. How a heater warms all the air in the room? Because heat energy travels through gases, that's why heat warms the air in the room. Third question. Why do you think it takes long time to heat a room with high ceiling? Because high ceiling makes the room large and open. Fourth and last question. Why do you think convection cannot happen in solids? Yes, because solids particles are held in framework and can't move around. Is that clear? Thank you. Dear students, the next way of transfer of heat is radiation. Page number 7. Page number 7, topic radiation. Radiation is the energy in the form of waves. Energy that is present in the form of waves and that comes from a source. These radiations that you can't see, these are invisible. But the question is how these radiations travel, how these energy travel from one place to another place. So the answer is, it is travel as a tiny electromagnetic waves called infrared waves. Tiny electromagnetic waves. What is electromagnetic? Electromagnetic means a magnetic field produced by a current of electricity. A magnetic field that is produced by current of electricity, and waves to move something back and forth. Students, look at your book. In this figure, when we cook food under a grill, heat must travel downwards from a heating element. This heat cannot be carried by a convection because convection carries heat upward. Convection carries heat upward, but heat can't be conducted to the food because the air is bad conductor. So, another way of moving heat to cook food is radiation. Here, blank number 11. The heat travels as tiny electromagnetic waves called dash waves and infrared waves. Another example of travel of heat is sun reaches earth as electromagnetic wave because heat can transfer through vacuum only by radiation, as no particles are involved in the vacuum, unlike the process of conduction and convection. So radiation can even through work by vacuum of space. Blank number 12. The sun is dash kilometer away from earth, 150 million. Next is absorbing heat. How heat absorbs in an object or emit? Only if an object is hotter than its surrounding, means if an object is much more hotter than its surrounding, it is also going to emit heat. So emitters and absorbers. Emitters mean giving off and absorbers taken in energy or heat. The important point is that good emitters are also good absorbers. Blank number 13. Good emitters of radiation are also good dash absorbers. White and silvery surfaces are poor absorbers because they reflect most of the radiations. Because all hot objects emit heat energy, heat radiations above 0 Kelvin means minus 273 degrees Celsius. Next page, 2 experiments that comparing good emitters and good absorbers. Good emitters. The first one is these 2 metal cans filled with same amount of water at the same temperature. Can A has a dark surface than can B because it's a shiny or bright surface. Look at this graph. The graph shows that the water in can A cools more quickly than the water in can B. Clearly, a dark surface is better emitter than the shiny. The next experiment is comparing absorbers. Take 2 metal plates. One is shiny and other is dark. Have thermometer attached to their backs. The plates are fixed at the same distance from a radiant heater. This graph shows the result that dark surface absorbs more heat quickly. Dark surface absorbs more heat quickly than the shiny one. In this figure, you can see that some buildings have solar panels on their roof, and these solar panels absorb thermal radiation, means energy from the sun. These panels are used to warm up the water flowing in the pipes. Test yourself questions, and the answers are: explain why in hot countries houses are often painted white. To keep them cool from inside, because white surfaces are poor absorbers of heat. B part, on a hot summer day, the inside of white car is cooler than the inside of black car, because white surfaces are poor absorbers of heat. C. Aluminium foil help keep food warm. Answer: it keeps the food warm by trapping hot air inside, serves as a insulator. D. Central heating radiators work better if they painted black, because black surfaces are good emitters and absorbers of heat.